Yeah.
So that's half raw sienna and half yellow oxide.
Yellow oxide.
Okay.
And I tap it out with the, to even it up and get rid of the brush strip.
So we want it even.
You
Or
want it
we want
even
it-
as you can. That's why we're using the medium in it, to keep it so it's a little bit diluted so we don't get too brushy.
Okay.
See?
About how many layers would you do?
I mean, it all depends on how, if it's nice and even, if you keep it even, you can do as many as you want.
Okay.
When it gets uneven, then you have the problems with, oh, I've got to make it,
Okay.
then it gets real dark.
Take a video.
Yeah, for Maria.
Especially Maria.
What color is
5/16. This is, it's basically green oxide with a little bit of Naples in it, tiny bit, to
tiny bit.
make it a
Brighter.
little bit lighter.
that? Okay.
Now there's Susan.
And the
Howdy, Susan.
measurement is 5/16 from the edge?
5/16 from the edge.
Okay.
I would have done it a quarter, but it was a little bit narrow because we're going to have a red edge on the edge, on the very edge.
Okay.
It'll be red earth. But we want a little bit of space for that. So 5/16 I thought would look nice.
Okay. And you're just using your
What?
fingers to make it straight.
Well, yeah, rest my
Yeah.
finger on the board. My brush rests on top of my finger, so it's nice and level. I keep my eye right there to make sure I'm
On the line.
covering that pencil line. I want to cover it.
Yeah.
You have to do this 2 or 3 times at least
Okay.
to get it to be opaque, because you want this opaque.
Okay.
This doesn't have to be transparent at all.
I love that St. Nicholas. You can see where they didn't cover the pencil.
What's
lines.
that?
That's St. Nicholas.
Just doing a very, very slender edge, which I put on with a ruling pen first.
Okay.
I marked it in pencil and then did it in a ruling pen. Hey, St. Ticons.
Yeah. That last
Red
one was
earth.
St. Ticons too.
Okay.
What?
That last one was St. Ticons too, actually. I like
Was
your
it?
recordings a lot.
Oh, yeah. Father Seraphim.
Yeah.
Not Seraphim. What's his name? Father Sturgis.
Yes.
The abbot. He's real into the two-part singing.
Me too.
Yeah, I love it.
I like this. I like Znameni chant. My dad is insistent that I'm a wannabe old believer.
The what?
Old believer. He jokes about that. I'm a wannabe old believer because I like my
Oh, yeah.
two-part singing. This Nikonian innovation.
That's red earth out of the
This
two.
is red earth out of the tube. We're going to do the border around it and then the sides. And toward the end of the icon, we'll put a line here too,
Okay.
which will probably be maybe white or gray or whatever color you think looks good.
Maybe gray.
A gray
So
would
it
be
would
nice,
look
huh?
like a shadow.
Yeah.
I've got
Nimbus
some.
gray.
That would look nice. Gray?
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Oh, here he is. Tchaikovsky.
And then, yeah. You know, and that's good. If I do it, I'll change it.
Vermilion and white.
Yeah. Just a salmon kind of color.
Okay.
I thought
Where
I'd
you
put it
would
right
put
there.
it?
If it should, we'll see if it shows up. If it does show up, if I don't like it, I'll change it to white or gray or some such thing.
Oh.
Right there. I like it.
Oh, nice.
I think I like it.
Does Saint Euphrosynos like it? That's the question.
Does the saint like it?
Does he like it?
He's not picky. He's not.
You don't think so?
No. No.
It's funny, when I was doing St. Michael, my board would keep falling down to the floor.
Your board kept falling on the floor?
I was thinking, he's not happy.
Yeah, he is picky.
He can't be happy about that.
Oh, you think he is
He's
not?
picky, yeah. When you're archangel, protector of the nation of Israel, it's
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
he's allowed to be picky.
Yes,
Yeah,
he is.
yeah. And that was exactly what I thought. There was something he didn't like.
What do you think? It doesn't show up much.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
It just gives it a little bit of
Okay.
nice finish.
Well, that's
And
all it
it's
is
not-
vermilion with a white.
And it's very subtle.
It's
so,
subtle. He likes that part.
Yeah, I think so. It's salmon color. It's
Yeah,
fish
yeah.
color.
I might make it just a little bit wider. Just a little bit, so it shows up a little better.
You know, Wayne, I'm kind of freehanding those folds, but it's actually looking pretty cool.
Let's see. What folds is that?
Like
That's
down
just,
there.
you gotta get that off. Get that off there before it dries. It'll come off with an eraser or a water. Just a little, no, wet it. And don't rub it real hard, just like, and then down. Oops.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. I might put a white line there, though. Just because of, I'm running out of things to do with you people.
Are we slow? Are
You
we
people.
slowing?
Too slow for Wayne.
Yeah.
Well, I had one teacher who said, Wayne,
So
next time you come to class, bring another icon to work on. I'm just playing around. You don't have to. Anybody could do whatever they want with these boards. But it actually doesn't need.
Oh, I see what you've done. I see it now.
It doesn't need the line I'm doing
not
now.
yours.
It doesn't really need to have this here.
What is
I'm just doing it for kicks.
yes.
Yes. Wow, that it works that
Yeah.
fast. That really looks good.
Yeah. It,
Gonna run out.
yeah.
No, I made it all the way. A little faint though. I might have to go over that one again.
Don't touch the salmon color. It's still wet. Don't touch the salmon color.
See, it bled through. I mean, something bled through there. I'll do it again. This is a little bit.
What does it that
call? What does that? How it calls that?
What is it called?
ruling
Oh, this is called a ruling pen?
Rolling pen.
A ruling pen. It's an old tool that was used by draftsmen a long time ago before
So I
computer.
get it. I get it
Before
from the-
computers, you know? They had to
I
draw it on blueprints,
We have it on.
make straight
at Fort
lines.
Belvoir.
You have these you can buy them on Amazon for about $9.
Okay, I probably.
Everybody should have one.
Yeah, it's useful.
At least one. I've got a